Hi viewer, welcome to the session of MS Excel Macro 2010. In this session, we will see how to create a charts using VBA code. So after this session, you will be able to create a chart using VBA code. To get started, we will go to the Excel workbook. And you can see in the Excel workbook, there is a data set, summarized data set showing the sales trend of HP, Dell, Lenovo, Samsung and LG. So we will create a chart with this data set by VBA code. So first we will go into the Visual Basic Editor tab. For that we will select Visual Developer menu, and from there just click on Visual Basic tab. Now we are placed into the Visual Basic Editor. To get started, start with subroutine. Provide some meaningful name. Here in this case, create chart 1, and then once you press enter key, the end sub will automatically be placed, and between sub and end sub we will be writing a code. As we are in the worksheet sheet 1, so we will not be using the worksheet sheet 1, but directly we will use the active sheet option. So active sheet dot shapes dot add chart dot select. So this code does nothing, but it creates a shape of chart in Excel workbook sheet 1. Now we will set the position of the chart shape from top and left. So for that the code is active sheet dot shapes 1. 1 is the index numbers. So in the previous line we have created shape of the chart, so that is the shape 1. If we would have created more than 1, then we would have referred the indexes. So here the shape is only 1, so we will be referring for setting the position top equals to, here we are setting 200 pixel. Now we will set the left position in the same manner for the same index number of the shape, only the difference is we will change the top to left. Now a skeleton of the chart is created on the Excel workbook. Now we will use active chart, as with these 3 the skeleton of chart is created. So now we need to provide the chart type and the plot area and the data source. So for that the code will be active chart dot chart type equals to, as you can see the list of chart types are appearing. So here in this case we will be taking Excel column clustered. Now we will be setting the plot area. So for setting the plot, selecting the plot area, active chart dot plot area dot select. Now we will provide the data source. So for that active chart dot set source data, and then source colon equals to, and then we will assign the range. As we are referring the data from sheet 1 only, so we can directly use the range, and then A1 colon F6. This way our code is ready for creating a chart, column clustered chart. Now we will run it and see. Now you can see the chart has been created. Now you can see there is no title in this chart. So for setting a title, we need to make the chart title as true so that it will get displayed, and then we will provide the text of the chart title. So for that we will go back to the Visual Basic Editor, and here we will first set active chart dot has title equals to true. That means now our chart will have title, as we have made the has title equals to true. Now we will set the title's text. So for that, active chart dot chart title dot text equals to, in this case I am placing sales train. So before running this, we will delete the chart which we have created after running the macro. So just delete this. Now we will run this code again. Now you can see the chart with title. So this way we can create chart and place the title. Now you can see the legend. The legend is on the right side, so you can set the position of the legend either bottom, left, or corner, right, so all the way. So for that, the code will be, we can see, we will go to the Visual Basic Editor, and now we will set the legend's position. For setting a legend position, we will use the code active chart dot legend dot position equals to Excel. Now you can see the list of positions here in this list. So we will be positioning it at bottom. So select the bottom position. Now we will delete this and create again. Now we will run this, and you can see the legend has been placed to the bottom. Now this is done. Now we will see how to add the data labels to this. So for that, what we will do, we will first change the chart type to the line, and then we will add the data label. So first we will delete this chart, and now we will change the data type from Excel column to Excel line. Now we will add the data label. So for adding a data label, you need to add data label in every series. So these are nothing in the chart, but the series are there. So for that, we will use the for each next loop. So for each, and here we will give some name, so like item in series, and then we will use active chart dot series collection. In active chart dot series collection, and then next item in series. So this is nothing but incrementing for the next item in series. And now here what we will do, item in series dot has data labels equals to true, meaning now we are setting for each series in the series collection data label equals to true, so that it will show you the data labels. Now we will run it. Now you can see the chart type is line, and each line has the data labels in it. So this way we have created charts with data labels and the positioning of the legends. So we have seen how to create charts, how to change the chart type, how to provide the data source, then how to set the position of the legend, and how to set the position of the chart from left and from bottom. So this way we can create charts through VBA. Thank you, user.